Hello, Health Journey family. Welcome back to the channel, your one-stop destination for easy, effective, and natural health tips. Today, we're diving into a simple yet powerful health hack that has taken the wellness world by storm, combining chia seeds with fenugreek water. Are you looking to supercharge your mornings, boost your metabolism, and enhance your overall well-being? If yes, this video is for you. Stick around because I'm going to share 7 science-backed reasons why this combo should be your new daily ritual. Plus, I'll answer your most pressing questions at the end, so stay tuned. 1. Supercharged hydration. Picture this. You wake up feeling sluggish and drained. Your body is like a thirsty plant crying out for water. This is where chia seeds shine. These tiny seeds can absorb up to 10 times their weight in water, turning into a gel-like texture. When paired with fenugreek water, which is already known for its hydrating and cooling properties, you're giving your body a hydration boost like never before. Think of chia seeds as little water balloons for your cells. They lock in moisture, keeping you energized and refreshed all day. Start your day hydrated, and watch your productivity soar. 2. Rich in fiber for gut health. Did you know your gut is often referred to as your second brain? And just like your brain, it needs proper nourishment. Fenugreek seeds are rich in soluble fiber, which soothes your digestive system, while chia seeds add insoluble fiber to keep things moving smoothly. A healthy gut not only supports digestion, but also boosts your mood. So by sipping this combo, you're literally drinking happiness. 3. A natural metabolism booster. Struggling with slow metabolism? Fenugreek seeds are known for their thermogenic properties, which help in increasing the body's metabolism. Add chia seeds, packed with omega-3 fatty acids, and you've got a duo that works together to keep your metabolism in check. Think of this combo as fuel for your inner engine, keeping it running efficiently and helping you burn calories more effectively. 4. Packed with antioxidants. Antioxidants are like your body's cleanup crew, fighting off harmful free radicals and keeping your cells healthy. Chia seeds are loaded with antioxidants, and fenugreek water has anti-inflammatory compounds that soothe your body from within. Imagine glowing skin, reduced inflammation, and a healthier you, all from a simple drink. 5. Supports. Heart health. Heart health is no joke, and this combo is here to help. Chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce bad cholesterol and keep your heart happy. Fenugreek water, on the other hand, improves blood circulation. Have you ever tried a natural remedy for heart health? Let me know in the comments below. 6. Regulates blood sugar levels. Both chia seeds and fenugreek have been studied for their role in stabilizing blood sugar levels. Fenugreek contains compounds that slow sugar absorption, while chia seeds form a gel that prevents blood sugar spikes. A study published in the Journal of Food Science and Technology highlighted fenugreek's ability to improve insulin sensitivity. Isn't that amazing? 7. Easy weight management. If you're on a weight management journey, this is your best friend. The combination of fiber and hydration keeps you fuller for longer, reducing unnecessary snacking. Try replacing your sugary morning drink with this combo for a week. Notice the difference? Share your experience below. And there you have it. 7 incredible reasons to add chia seeds to fenugreek water. Not only is this a game changer for your health, but it's also super simple and cost-effective. Have you tried this combo before? If not, what's stopping you? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and tricks. Also, hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next health journey together. Remember, small steps lead to big changes. Stay healthy, stay happy, and I'll see you in the next video.